Hello and welcome to channel Unlocks Hub. Today in this video I'll be showing you how to remove iCloud lock or activation lock on an iPhone. So here's an iPhone 6 which is currently iCloud locked, as you can see. So today we'll be doing the unlock process using the CHECKRA1N jailbreaking tool and some hacks written over here. Make sure you watch the complete video and do not skip any step to get your device unlocked. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon to not miss another update. So click on this start. It says iPhone 6 connected in normal mode running on iOS 12.4.3. Click on start and click on next. It is entering the recovery mode. Please make sure you use the original USB cable. Do not use any third-party USB cables. So the device turned on. Not a problem. Let's try again. Let me just disconnect the device first and connect it again. Close the CHECKRA1N, open it once again and click on start and click on next. And yes, the device is now entered recovery mode. Click on start to put the device into DFU mode. We'll have to hold the power and the home button simultaneously. And let go of the power button, keep pressing the home button as soon as the Apple logo disappears. And you can now see that the device is recognized and the CHECKRA1N is installing all the hacks. You can see that here. Wait for the device to boot up completely. So it says all done here. Click on done and close this. Let me just trust the iPhone and see what it says. It says the iCloud lock is still present. Close it, open the terminal. I have it on my desktop. If you don't have the terminal window on your desktop, just go to search option here and type in terminal and click on enter. Copy the first command and paste it in the terminal and click on enter. It says press return to continue. It says here installation successful. After this message appears, close this window, open the terminal again, copy the next command and paste it right here. So once this is done, copy the next command and paste it here and change it to 2222 instead of 2022 and click on enter. It says waiting for connection. Right click on the terminal here and open a new window. In this new window, just copy this command and since you previously entered it as 2022, change it to 2222 here. Previously it was 2222, so make sure you enter 4 2s and click on enter. It says, are you sure you want to continue? Type in yes and click on enter. It asks for password. The password here is Alpine, Alpine, and click on enter. It says bash here. So type in or copy this command and paste it right here. And copy the next one and paste it right here. Now just copy the UI cache command and paste it here and click on enter, and you can see the device is already getting unlocked. Next, copy the kill all command and paste it here and click on enter, and the device is now restarting. And the device has actually turned on and is now completely iCloud unlocked. You can see here, including the CHECKRA1N jailbreaking tool which we use to unlock this iCloud. So basically everything pretty much works. Go into settings to see if the iCloud lock is present. You can see there is no iCloud ID or password here. You can log in with your own Apple ID and password. You can just try other settings and let me know if you have any doubts in the comment section below the video. Everything works here without any issues, including the lock screen, the home screen, and everything. You can just turn on the device and turn it off as well. It still works. Everything works here. So yes, this is how you bypass or remove the iCloud activation lock from any iPhone. You can use this method even on iPhone 11, iPhone 10, iPhone 8, and any iPhone for that matter. Just make sure you update the device to the latest available iOS and then begin this process. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section below the video. Thank you for watching, guys. Happy unlocking. Take care. Bye bye.